everyone, it's Naomi. It's been a right hot minute since I did a Facebook Live, and so lately I've been buying a whole lot of different bits and pieces to try out and stuff, and I had a delivery today, so I'm like, why not open it with a whole bunch of friends? So come on, join me while we open it up. So it's only, I think, one of 4 parcels I think that I'm meant to be having delivered. So this was the first lot, so I'm not 100% sure what is in this parcel, but we've got a whole lot of things, so let me have a look. Okay, we've got, okay, so got this bag that I've just slit open, and my bag is basically, I don't know if you see, a bag full of bags, because I've just got this one taken out, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, so I've got this one. I'm not 100% sure what this one is, but we'll have a look. Okay, so open up with the scissors. I know what this is. This is awesome. Okay, so, okay, I've been trying out a whole heap of different paintbrushes. So, as you know, I love chalk painting, and chalk paint is my favourite paint, and I love texture and all that sort of thing. And the jury is out whether or not you need a special brush, whether you can use synthetic, natural fibres, that sort of thing. Me personally, I love the natural Hogs bristle brushes, and I love the fact that they can give you texture, depending on how you paint and that sort of thing. And if you are also like me, you might have weak wrists. I work in admin, and so I've been typing for the last 20 odd years. So that's sort of like given me a bit of a, oh, the dog's just come in front and the crap out of me. Sorry about that. Hello, Bear. He's looking at me like, who's Mum talking to? You gonna come in, Bear? You gonna talk? You gonna talk? Come here. No, he's run off. Anyway, so Bear's gone. And anyway, as I was getting to it, so sometimes when I'm painting, my wrists start to hurt really badly. So I am looking at other options for paintbrushes. So a lot of the paintbrushes, as you know, are thin. So like the handles are very thin. So I was wondering if I got some thicker handle brushes, because you know we all paint like this, but with the brushes that I've got, if you do have sore wrists or arthritis or something like that, you could sort of paint like this or like this. So the brush that I bought, which, to be honest, I haven't tried yet, okay, is this brush here. So this is one that I got the other week, and it's got a very thick handle on it. So you can paint like this, you can paint like this, paint like that, or like that, you know, depending on what your hand style, your hand strength is like, and your painting style. So I've got that. So I got that one the other week, and then I got this one as well. So I got this one the other week as well. Pull it out of the bag, and so I tried this one. So so I've got this one here. So that's sort of along, it's 100 mil, so what, 10 centimeters? I think, is that 5 inches? I really don't know. Anyway, so there's that there. So anyway, so I bought this brush, and I'm going to try this one to see how it works. The handle isn't as thick as I thought it would be, but that's okay. I will open it up. Okay, and that's actually, feels like it's a synthetic bristle brush. No, it's not. It's natural. And so I've got this brush here. So that is quite the big brush, and it's got an ergo handle. So I suppose if you're going to be holding it like this, or like that, or even like that, that would actually work quite well, and reduce the fatigue on your wrists. And then there's the little plastic thing, so you can hang it onto the side of your can of paint, which should be quite handy so it doesn't drip off. Anyway, so I bought that. Okay, right, what else have I got in my little bag of bags?
Okay, this one. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but we'll get scissors into it, and hopefully I don't cut anything with the scissors that I shouldn't be. Oh, okay. So I've also been getting into mouldings. Okay, so these are some carved wooden mouldings that I've bought. Okay, so this is them here. So these are a carved wood product. Okay, so that's them there. Okay, and they measure, I'll get a ruler. Okay, they measure, what is it? About 20 centimeters, which is 8 inches, by 2 inches, which is nearly 5 centimeters. Anyway, so I bought a stack of those. Okay, and they are solid wood, and they've just been carved and a flat, so they're not bending. You just stick them onto a wardrobe or a cupboard of some description. So I've got 4 of those. What else? Oh, okay, this is my other paintbrush that I ordered. I can tell by the shape. See? Okay, we'll have a look. Okay, cut into the bag. Okay, so this is another brush. Okay, this is another hog's bristle brush that I bought. If I can get it out of the plastic bag, that'd be great. You know what, we'll just cut it. Ain't no one got time for this. Okay, so let me have a look. Okay, so that is another hog's bristle brush for the chalk painting, and again, it's got the thicker ferrule, so therefore for your hands, you know, sort of different ways of holding it depending on your wrist strength. So I think from memory that was a 2 centimeter brush, 20 mils. So 20 or 25, I'm not 100% sure. Actually, that might even, does it tell me on here? I think it's the 20. Okay, let me have a look. Right, what else have we got in here? Oh, all sorts of things. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, this is fun, it's like Christmas. Okay, right. So these are some little wooden mouldings. I've bought them again. I'm trying to open them. Have a look. Okay, so these are little corner piece mouldings. Again, they are carved and they, oops, just drop it. And they're just carved rubber wood. Okay, so I've got a set of 4 of those. And then I've got the same ones again, but they're just a little bit bigger. So I think these are the 4 centimeter ones. Yep, and these are the 6 centimeters. So they're the same as those, but only bigger. Okay, what else have we got in here? Oh, we've got 3. Oh, this parcel. Right, what have we got? Okay, right. Oh, awesome. Right, okay. Christmas decorations. Okay, so these are Christmas bauble discs with strings on them. So that's a little bit exciting. I'm running a Christmas bauble class on the 1st of December, but they'll be glass baubles. But I got these ones as well. I think I got 50 or 100 of these, and they're just little wooden discs with the little hanger thing on it, so they'll be painted and decorated. I think I've got 50 of those, and they come with little jute twine strings, whether or not I use those or a different sparkly ribbon, I don't know. That's those. Okay, right. We're nearly at the end. Okay, let me have a look. Right, okay, so this is a set of wooden mouldings that I bought as well. Sorry, that's the sticky tape on the bubble wrap. Okay, so this is a set that I bought Okay, so it's got this, again, it's carved rubber wood, okay, and it came with a set of 4 of these, and I've just noticed that one is broken. Okay, so I'm going to have to go back to the manufacturer and just say that one of the little pieces broke off, so that's not good. That was meant to be a set of that and 4 of those, so you can sort of like put them around. May or may not sell them separately, I don't know yet, but they were the kit that I got, and I think there's one more in there. Yeah, I know what these are. Better be very careful cutting these because these are stencils. Okay, so, and I think, what have I got left to come? I think I've got my glass bowls, and there should be some more wooden mouldings. I think that's everything. I don't know. Anyway, so I've got some stencils as well. Okay, so I've got 2 stencils. Oops. So I've got this stencil here. So it's like little like church windows. Because I have made the mouldings before with the what do you call it? Paper clay. So I make my own paper clays, and I've made some mouldings, but sometimes the mouldings just aren't quite what I wanted. And then I saw this stencil with the windows on it, and I thought that was fantastic. And then if I did want to use the stencil but not actually have the windows, I can always take them over. And then one was just a backing stencil with a pattern. So that's all of the goodies that I've got today in my little bag. No, nothing left. Okay, so that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed that little excitement of getting things delivered. So yeah, I should have some more deliveries hopefully by the end of next week, and we can do another unboxing, unbagging, unpacking video, whatever you want to call it. So that is everything, and then if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. A lot of this stuff will be on my website. Oh yeah, I have a website now. So it's www.willowandfink.com.au, and a lot of my stuff is on there. I have my mouldings, I have some of the brushes, I have the wooden mouldings, I have the flexible wooden mouldings. I will be putting my own ones on, and what else is on there? There's all the decoupage papers from Mint by Michelle. So there's the papers, the decoupage tissue papers, all my napkins are on there. What else is on there? I've got a couple of stencils on there, not that many. So yeah, so mainly the decoupage stuff, and the mouldings is pretty much what I'm into now. Yeah, so there'll be some stencils. There is some other stuff coming on. I will have some palette knives and bits and pieces that can go on as well. I'll be putting some of these blanks on, and then I'll also, if I can get my act together, creating a whole heap of the decorated blanks and get those up there. The artworks are meant to be going on there. What else is on there? And then when I have made the glass baubles, or the plastic baubles, they will go on there as well. So they will be, I've shared it on this page, but I don't have it here with me, but it's a round plastic bauble, and it's chalk painted, and it's got molds on it, and it's aged, and it's got texture, and it's got sort of like black wax on it, or some sort of black glaze. Yeah, so we're doing something like that for the course that I'll be teaching in December. So that's about everything. So until next time, lovely people, I will leave you, and I will see you then. Thank you. Cheers. Goodbye.